Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. So today I'm going to teach you from start to finish how to get these pretty cool faux locks. It's been forever since I've done hair and I've never done faux locks on myself. So it's going to be an experience for both of us. So keep watching guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so this is just my hair, unbraided. I just took one of my wigs off, so I kind of took my cornrows out. So I'm going to go and wash, condition, and towel dry my hair. Then I'm going to get it ready to be blow dried. So this is my hair after it's been washed and I deep conditioned it. I'm going to use this Lotta Body coconut styling cream to kind of give my hair some moisture so it can be protected from the heat. No, it's not a heat protectant, but this is what I decided to use, so we're going to go with it. After I do this, I'm going to just section my hair off so that it's easier for me to blow dry. I just have a regular like Conair blow dryer from Walmart, and then I'm going to comb through it with my Denman brush. Okay, so I got two different types of hair. I have this Jamaican twist braid in a color 27, and then I also got this natural braid. It's like crochet hair in the color 27 as well. I also got 2 packs of platinum blonde hair. Well, not 2 packs, but one of the crochet and then one of the Jamaican twist hair. I'm not gonna section my hair in any particular manner. I'm just gonna make like the sections that I want. So these are kind of like medium size sections, if you will. So I'm gonna braid my hair with the crochet hair. Now this hair is like super silky, so it was really hard for me to put it onto my hair because my hair is silky too. So this is like time number 30 trying to get it on there. So I'm gonna start my braid pretty low because I don't want it to be on my scalp, because we don't want excess tension when we go to twist the other hair around it. So I'm gonna twist the Jamaican twist hair around this silky hair until my hair stops, and then I'm going to add another piece just to kind of make it a little bit thicker. Now these two that I'm going to show on camera, I actually redid a couple of times just to get the size that I wanted, and you guys can make them as thin or as thick as you want them to be, but it's kind of like personal preference, so whatever you want to do. So these are kind of like halfway done. This is kind of like the halfway mark. And I did and redid a lot of these dreads until I got the desired look that I wanted. You guys see like some of them kind of change color and position. Like, I don't know. I was just really experimenting with the color and the size that I wanted them to be. I don't know. So this is kind of in detail of how I actually did it. So I kind of put it halfway on first, and then I kind of twisted over the excess hair. I twisted this all the way down to the curly piece, kind of to where you can barely see that it curls on the end, and then I kind of burned it. In the future, I will never ever again use this crochet hair because it gets so nappy. If you guys have any other suggestions, I don't know, I just thought this hair was pretty, but I didn't know it was gonna get that nappy once it touched other hair. So that would be kind of one of my takeaways from doing this. I'm not gonna use that hair anymore. Okay guys, we got one more to do. One more. Here we go. So I forgot to mention after I got done with the video how you can keep your scalp kind of like under control while you have these braids, I keep calling them braids, dreads in. This is the Cantu Root Relief. It has peppermint and like tea tree oil in it, so it's really going to help with any itching or irritation that you may experience. I use this in combination with my Wild Growth Oil for my edges. I purposefully did not braid or twist my edges into these dreads because that can lead to breakage, and I need my edges, honey. So I just kind of went through and added a little bit of this to my edges and to my scalp as well every day. And I kept these in for about a week, so that kind of just gave my scalp some relief. After I got done with the dreads, I kind of added these little strings and these little jewels to them just to make them look a little more jazzy. I got all of these products from the hair store. You guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel for the next video. I will be doing some more hair reviews. See you guys next time.
Make me feel this way.